Union Minister for Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying Parshottam Rupala during his visit to Ampati today toured across the district to interact with the self-help groups, farmers and villagers organization. He also inspected villages along the international border as well as border fencing. Later on, the minister visited the Lakai Char border hut, border outposts and inspected Anganwadi centers on his way to Mahendraganj. It may be mentioned that Rupala yesterday chaired the review meeting on the implementation of the schemes of the central government at Ampati, southwest Karo Hills. During the review meeting, the union minister laid focus on the status of schemes implemented by the Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, Fisheries and Border Areas Development Departments in the district. He also emphasized on the challenges of the departments in the border areas.
कि हमारे प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने पूरे देश के मवेशियों के लिए, ऐसे दूर दराज इलाकों के पशुपालकों के लिए, पशुओं के लिए मोबाइल वेटरनरी यूनिट माने के पशुओं की एम्बुलेंस भारत सरकार के खर्चे से देने का ऐलान किया है और इसके चलते 17 एम्बुलेंस मेघालय राज्य के लिए भी हमने मंजूर कर दिए हैं। उनमें से 5 आपके मेघालय राज्य में प्रवेश कर चुके हैं, बाकी के भी 12 बहुत जल्द आपको मिल जाए, उसका मैं प्रबंध करूंगा।
The plenary session of the first meeting